In this video, we will see if your After Effects is not using GPU acceleration for rendering. First of all, we need to go right inside the file in the top left navigation of the After Effects. And once you are right inside, you need to find the project settings at the bottom. You need to click on this. Once you're right inside, under video rendering and effects, you can see Mercury GPU acceleration CUDA. You need to enable the GPU acceleration in this option. You have three options here: CUDA, OpenCL, and software only. We need to go with the CUDA because it provides the GPU acceleration for After Effects. So once you're done, you need to click on OK. Next, you need to go to the edit and you need to find the preferences at the second last option, and then you need to navigate to memory and CPU. Once you're right inside the memory and CPU, make sure RAM reserved for other application is the minimum and RAM reserved for After Effects is the maximum. And once you're done, you can see the new option here, CPU. It says enable multi-frame rendering. This is very important. You need to make sure this is marked as tick, and the CPU reserved for other applications, it is up to 10%. So make sure all these values are accurate, and once you're done, you need to click on OK. Next, you need to go to the edit again and you need to find the purge option here. And once you're right inside, you need to click on all cache. It will clear your cache and it will boost up your After Effects. Once you're done applying these settings, now you need to go to search bar of your Windows and you need to search for NVIDIA. Once you're right inside the NVIDIA app, you need to navigate to the drivers in the left navigation of the NVIDIA app. You need to click on it. Once you're right inside, make sure you have the studio driver from this drop down in the right side. You can see Game Ready driver and the Studio driver. Game Ready driver provides the best experience for gaming, and the Studio driver enables the GPU acceleration for After Effects. So we need to go with Studio driver. Once you're done, you need to navigate to the search bar again and you need to search for settings. Once you see the settings, it will navigate you to the system settings. Once you're right inside, you need to find the system in the left navigation. This is at the second option. You need to click on this. Once you're right inside, you need to click on display. Scroll down until you see the graphics section. You need to click on this. Once you're right inside, you need to go to search this list and you need to search for After Effects. As you can see, I have searched for After Effects and I can see the Adobe After Effects 2026. If you do not see anything in the list, you can also go to the Add Desktop app and you can manually enroll the Adobe apps inside the display graphics settings. So once you have added successfully, you need to click on this. Now you need to select the GPU preferences as your high performance NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050. This is my graphics card. You need to select your graphics card for the GPU preference. And optimize for windowed games. Make sure it is also marked as tick. So these are all the settings that you can apply to increase the GPU usage up to 60%. And I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. I will try my best to respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.